So here's the little grill. I have it loaded up with twigs. Got a little fire going in there. It's coming along. Oh yeah. So I have some bacon cheddar bratwurst. I'm gonna put one of them on there. Not gonna put the whole pack on because I don't know how well I can keep the flame off of my meat. I'm gonna let it die down a bit first, and I'll just feed one side of it with wood. The rest will go over here. So it's died down a bit. I'm gonna give it a go. We'll let that get its cook on. We'll see how it turns out. I just rolled it over once, stuck a few pieces of wood in it. So far it's doing really good. I do feel this grill would be very well suited for a cast iron pan, small cast iron pan, but it's doing well with the sausage so far. So let me tell you about the grill. It's made out of stainless steel. It's basically something I saw online that I figured I could reproduce. So I had some stainless laying around, and I had access to a way to cut it. So I cut out the grill after my buddy designed it in CAD, and I assembled it, and I figured I'd cook something on it. I've been feeding it twigs the whole time, and it doesn't really need any large, substantial pieces of wood to keep it burning. Just for transparency purposes, I'll tell you what I did. I got carried away with my sticks, and now I have a huge fire. So I'm gonna have to work around it. Obviously, I've been cooking my sausage kind of low and slow off on the edge, away from the main heat. So I'll stick with that pattern. But yeah, I got a little carried away and I caught a huge flame. So I'm kind of just letting my wood and coals just die on down. It's kind of smoky. Sausage is pretty much done. Just let a little bit of heat stay in there on the grate, and then it'll be chow time.